All right, here we go. We've done a lot of stuff, so let's review and talk about the things that you need to know how to do. So we got a whole bunch of equations up here. You're going to find a lot of the things are basically the same thing over and over and over again. Okay, that's what we've been doing for a while. Let me find my marker. So when we see a problem like number one, when we see a problem like all of these, we want to make sure we know the difference, our right and our left, and we always work the variable side if there's one variable. So I got to get the variable by itself. First step. Second step. Variables by itself, we're done. So what are some of the harder things that we're going to do? Again, this is the basic, this is the easy. What are some of the harder things? Well, some people get thrown off from the variables over here. Again, work from the variable side. It doesn't have to be first or second. The variable's got to be by itself. So my first step here would be plus 1. Finish the problem. Divide by the number in front of the variable to get the answer. Number 3, I see distribution. What are we going to do with distribution? Multiply this number times everything on the inside. So this gives me negative 10x. Negative gives me positive 20. Watch your signs when you multiply. Now we finish the problem just like the rest of these. Minus 20. 20 minus 20, 0. Don't panic with 0, just a number. Divide to finish the problem and get x by itself. X equals 0. Take your time, follow your steps. Pencil and paper, write it down. You can't do all this in your head. Number 4, I've got variables on both sides. I need to get the variables on the same side. I'm going to go minus 3x to get the variables on the same side. 6x minus 3x. Now, it looks like all the rest of these. All right, we're 2 steps away from being done. Divide. X equals 4. I'm going to check my camera, see if that's even on the shot. Perfect. All right. Number 5, again, variables on both sides. That's fine. I want to get this over here. I need plus 6x to do that. Gives me 12x minus 5 equals negative 5. Finish the problem. This is now set up like all the rest of them. Get the variable by itself. Work the variable side of the problem after you get them together. Plus 5. Negative 5 plus 5 is the big fat 0, just like the other problem. Don't panic, just do the work. And finally, what we've been talking about this week, first step, get the variables on the same side of the problem. What's left over here, what's left over here. So the variables are dropped out, they're gone. There's no variables on both sides. You've got 2 choices. If what's left is not true, then you have, if what's left is true, if those are equal on both sides, then your answer is all real numbers. So quick refresher, quick review of all the stuff we've done. So you have some practice today for your assessment tomorrow. Good luck.